Baton starts. We have all 6 robots moving on the field. Right now, red with a small lead, but they're filling their bucket as well, extending the lead for red. And now comes blue, the 2587, the DiscoBots. But red has jumped way ahead, doubling the score of blue. They will have the advantage at the end of the cycles. We will start off with a Blue Alliance with their cycling. Let the fuel fly. Here we go. Blue has their cycling up and running. They just need to get it to work. Here comes the DiscoBots coming up just a little bit short with their shots. And now the Broncbots has loaded up. Let's see what they can do. Getting ready to switch over. Now red has control. That is the Grease Monkeys filling it up, extending the lead for the Red Alliance. Approaching that 100 mark. With a minute and a half to go in this match. Blues get ready to take over. They now have control. Broncbots and DiscoBots shooting and filling up their fuel. They're about 30 points behind now. DiscoBots shooting again, closing that gap. And now red comes in for their final control over their fuel bin. Red now starting to pull away. Blue is loaded up. They're ready to unleash when they get down to the last 30 seconds here. Both scoring it will be available. Now we're going to see who can outscore each other. Red with a 40-point lead. Red filling up. Here comes Broncbots. They're shooting and scoring. DiscoBots shooting and scoring. Down about 40 points is the Blue Alliance, coming down to 9 seconds to go in this match. 3, 2, 1. And there's your match. It is the Red Alliance with a score of 200 to 158. Red with 4 ranking points because they reached that charge level. Blue exceeding theirs. They will take a 1 ranking point. All red moving up, and 37-28 for blue moved up.